What's going on, people? Okay, now back with another video. As you can see by the title of this video, the EG is going for its Sills and Arches. So we are on our way right now on the outskirts of Birmingham to JSH Fabrications and Paddlework. Just run the trailer. We'll get back into the video in a second. Okay, so I'm gonna apologize straight off the back. There hasn't been a lot of content. I've been absolutely busy. The Kswap is finished. There's a few little tiny bits that still need to get sorted, but at the same time, the car is running. The car is actually on the bed right now as we're moving. Big shout out to Anytime Rescue and Recovery for making this possible. Look, we left at 4 o'clock in the morning. The car was collected yesterday. Actually, you know what? I've got a clip of that. Run that clip first. What's happening, people? Okay, cool. So it's around about 8 o'clock, I'd say, at night, and the EG is on its way to get its Sills and Arches done. Big shout out to Anytime Recoveries who have made this possible. I know it was a bit of a last minute, bro, but he's out here. He's out here. His details will be in the bio. Fully functional recovery rescue service. You know what, guy specializes in like race cars and stuff. He's got a couple himself, so you know what, give him a shout if you need anything. That's how the EG is sitting at the moment. We've put all the bits and bobs inside. As you can see, car is filthy, but car is going to get some good work done. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to make a bigger video and we'll check it out. Wait till the next one. Just a bit of a backstory, right? So locally to me, we're going like 2 hours, 2.5 hours away from my hometown to get some work done. Now everyone's saying, why are you going so far? Okay, I'll explain to you why. So in my area around Bedfordshire, there's not many people that do TIG welding and MIG welding in relation to these type of cars. So there was one person that a lot of people told me about, and I went to his shop and I was like, okay, let me go check this guy out, see what he said. I don't want to mention any names. I'm not going to name and shame. Go and check your own work out and, you know, do it that way, right? So I've gone there. Anyway, this guy is having a cup of tea, smoking a fag at the same time, and he's welding someone's car. I was like, this guy is never touching my car. I know it might be a Honda. One person's piece of shit is another person's gold. This is gold to me. You know, it's something that I don't want to mess about with. Anyway, and I want to do it properly. And obviously, when it comes to rust and stuff, you want to take it seriously. I cannot understand how there is some people out there, and everyone for themselves, where people have got rust on their cars and bloody floors are falling out and they've got dodgy MOTs. That's not me. If I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it properly. So what we're going to do, we're on our way there now. We're going to go see John. I'm going to come out of the car, out of the truck. I'll show you some of the car at the moment and what's getting done. And at the same time, you'll be able to have a better look from when it's in the garage. I'll show you where the work needs to be done, and then I'll put his details as well as Anytime's into the description below, and you can go and check them out. So wait for the next one. Alright, cool. So we're here. Quick stop off at a service station. I thought I'd just take this opportunity to show you around the car, to see what the issue is and why it is exactly here. So, long story short, with these Hondas, right, as you can see, right, they have a lot of issue with rust. We all know that, and that's fine. But to get the job done properly, you need to be able to spend a little bit of money, so you know the car's safe. The car's being built for track purposes, so I want to make sure that the car's all right, and make sure that the car is stable enough to pass its MOT, etc., for road and track purposes. Anyway, so long story short, what did I need to do? I needed to do was buy some replacement sills and arches, which are inside the car at the moment, and then that cost me around about £190 on eBay, right? You can go and get yourself a set if you've got a similar car. They're quite good quality. I can't remember off the top of my head who I bought them off, but I want to show you the car. So let's have a little quick look on the car in terms, right? So this is the EG, right? So that's how it sits at the moment. So what we're changing, what we're doing is, obviously this is all fine, right? There's no issues within the arches. The only reason I'm getting the arches done is because I'd rather get everything done in one go. So this is where the issues lie. Can you see here? There's a little bit of rust. I have seen worse, right? So that's all going to get replaced. So the whole line will get replaced, as well as a cut over which will go to the back light. So on this side, very, very similar stuff. So as you can see, not good. Overall, the rest is quite clean. So we've had it checked, and there's quite a nasty hole there. Rear arch, solid. But I want to get it done properly. So next step is, right now we're just about 10-15 minutes away from the garage, from JSH, and then once we're there, we will get unloaded, and hopefully this is a part one of 2 parts of the video. I'm liking the purple, I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking the purple. The purple is looking nice. I'm going to be changing the brake calipers. It's going to have an upgrade in relation to we're going 4x114 big brake setup. I'm thinking what colours to go for the calipers. Leave a comment below, what colours would you go? I'm thinking purple right now, I don't know why, but yeah, cool. So once we get unloading the truck, we'll go to the next video. Alright guys, the car has been dropped off, and now it's with John. We've gone through all the bits that we need in terms of what I want done on the car and how I want it done. Really, really nice chat. So hopefully we're going to see on the next part of this video. So make sure you subscribe and like this video so you're in check for the next video that comes out in terms of part 2 of this. We'll go through in terms of what was done and how it is done. And yeah, make sure you leave a comment in relation to the calipers. Really, really want to know what would look best on it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.